Hi guys, what is up? Wondering where we at today? We're at Gimbal. Today we're gonna go to Igtuble town, Tubungan. It's still part of Iloilo. The good thing about that, it's our own twisties here in Iloilo. The road there is actually the boundary of San Romeo, Aningalan. It's between Iloilo province and then Antique province. If you haven't watched my Aningalan twisties video, so sit back and relax. Check that out. I'm gonna link it in the description or somewhere here in the screen. It's pretty much high altitude and the scenery there is very beautiful, so something to look forward in this video. Okay, so without further ado, I want you to relax, listen to the sound and enjoy the twisties as we go up to Igtuble. Okay, so let's go. Hey guys, packet tayo. Let's go! Ang taas guys, oh my god. Sino to? Oh, bato oh. Taas nun ah. Patay tayo dyan pagbalik. Ganda ng view guys, oh my god. Yan, oh my god. Grabe, ang dami. Yan, ang ganda! Let's go! Okay, so medyo may ginaw na guys. Oh my god! Kita nyo? Taas na natin. Okay, so ito yung parang okay. Oh my god. Ay, hindi pa pala. Pakyat pa pala. my god, ang taas natin. Yung pinagkaiba nito sa Aningalan is that steep climb siya. Hindi sa Aningalan na gradual lang, yung dahan-dahan lang ang pag-akyat. Ito taas talaga eh. Oo. Problema nito pa pababa, engine brake talaga, uubos yung preno mo. Okay, oh my god. Ang ginaw dito guys, shit. Okay, I think we're at the top na. Woo! Ayan. Alright, let's go. Diba? Yeah! 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 Okay guys, so what's up? Sorry na busan ng battery. Anyways, dito na tayo sa top. As you can see, this is Iloilo province right here. Okay, yan yung Stone Mountain na tinuturo ko sa inyo kanina. And then medyo maginaw na dito sa taas. Okay, so nakikita nyo, andun yung yung gimbal. Diyan tayo nag-start kanina ng video. And then ayan yung town sa baba. Okay, and then we went all the way up here. Nakikita nyo yung road andun hanggang dito. Okay, so all of that you can see is Iloilo province. And then over the mountain top in here, and all the way in here, this is empty. In here, right here, that's the boundary over there. Let me go up. Dito lang. Oh my god, yan, di ba ang ganda guys? Wait, akit pa ako. Okay, so ayan. So to continue, yan yung boundary ng mountains niyan. That's gonna go around and then under and then over. So over na yan, Antique province. If nakita nyo yung Aningalan Twisties video ko, I'm gonna link, it's in the description right there. If you can check, yan na yung area dyan. It's gonna take around 1 hour from here, I think 45 minutes to go through there. And then makakaabot kayo sa pinuntahan namin na Aningalan. Okay? And then all the way in here, if dito, it's gonna be Leon. Hindi ko pa na video yan. I'm gonna motovlog that, so watch out for that. Okay, so we're gonna fry some drones so that I can show you kung anong mabibigay ng Igtuble. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so we're at the end of the video. If you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Okay, and also make sure that you follow my social media accounts. As always, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!